G'day folks, LJ Esquire here out in Phuket, Old Town. Just going for a wander here, checking out all the restaurants because we're right at the opening of the Nine Emperor Gods Festival. So Tita and I are very fortunate to be here during this time. Tita's just across the street getting her hair done. So just going to go over there and see how that's going. We've got a few things we want to do today. Take you guys around for a bit of day in the life action in Phuket. Here we go. Wow, look at this. Hey.
How do you think? What do you think?
New hair.
I like it though.
It's a 12. It's great.
สวยไหม
Yeah. Goes with the dress.
Yeah. And good service too. ไป When I want you to go just say ไป Let's go หิวข้าวแล้ว
Alright.
Hungry
Tita's hungry, so
หิวข้าว hungry
she's found this place that does chicken and rice and eggs.
Ooh.
But don't be fooled. We haven't changed our diet. It's a special kind of chicken, rice and eggs. So we're going to go check that out. We've got some wheels. We hired a motorcycle here. 3,000 for 1 month, was it? Yeah, with a 1,000 baht deposit. But I've just got to tell you guys, the roads here are absolutely mental. So you got to drive safe if you're driving around in Phuket.
A lot of food panda this one.
Oh, wow.
That's why you need to wait for long
Can I
time.
park here? All right, I'm at the front of this restaurant here, and as you can see, it's very busy. There is heaps of delivery drivers here collecting orders. Tita discovered this place, and the food here is fantastic. So we're gonna go and show you what it's all about. Hey, how you doing, man?
Really good.
Very good food, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, the best. The chefs here are cooking up an absolute storm, and back here in the dining space, all the chili fumes are making it a little hard to breathe. They've just put the exhaust fans on.
As you see, they never stop cooking.
All right, what do we have here, babe?
Fried chicken and fried egg. Looks so good. This one is like a pork thing. If it like a pork leg menu, you know. Kway chap.
But don't be fooled by the appearance of this food. It is 100% plant-based, and this area that we're staying in is like a real big vegetarian community. So here we go. The chicken and the rice.
Is that delicious, please?
It's delicious. It's spicy, nice crispy skin, crunchy texture, meaty. I love it.
One full chili.
Oi. All right.
Come to me.อร่อยอ่ะ
That was an awesome feed. How much did that cost, babe? 200 baht. Okay, all that food with the drinks, 200 baht. Awesome. Great feed. All right, what are we doing now?
We go to Prom Tap Cape.
Okay, lead the way. Here we are at Prom Tap Cape. What is it? We've got some sort of
It's viewpoint.
some magical viewpoint, right?
It's the cave. Go into the sea, into the beach.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's probably the best weather we've had since we've been in Phuket. How's my hat, babe?
Look good.
You sure? It's been sitting under the motorbike seat. I think it's a bit mangled.
It have telescope there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Wow.
Look at this view. Incredible ocean views out here.
Babe, I didn't see anything at all.
I think you got to put money in, mate.
Ow.
Put 10 baht in.
Ow, I don't know. Ow, I don't have baht.
Views are incredible, absolutely. Amazing. Look at this, guys. So you just gotta get on it. There you go. This is a part of Phuket I think everyone needs to explore when they come here. There could be pythons in here, babe. There could be big pythons in here. Wow, what a beautiful day to be doing this. How many amazing experiences can you have in one country? So much to see, so much to explore. Look how courageous this woman is. She just goes at it straight into the foliage. Oh yeah. We are standing out on this cape, surrounded by the Andaman Sea. Happy to be here. Gorgeous views. Just release all your negative energy out into the ocean. Is gone. Cleansed by the ocean air. Alright, back on the horse.
We made it.
A little bit sweaty there, jungle woman.
Yeah, all over. Sweat all over.
We're heading home. Tita's got a lesson, a Thai language lesson to teach. Meanwhile, in the kitchen, I'm prepping up a juice, slow pressed. Got the veggies. Tita's in the other room doing a Thai language class. This is pretty much how we roll every day out here in Phuket. Bit of juicing, bit of fun, bit of work, keeping it in balance. Got to stay healthy out here. If you don't own a slow press juicer, go and buy one today. Life changing, I'm telling you. Tita has finished her class. How was it, babe? Good student. What are we doing now? Hit the pool like a bomb. Very focused woman. She's very dedicated to her teaching. If you haven't booked a Thai language lesson with Tita and you'd like to, link in the description below. Alright, we're heading down to the pool for a little afternoon delight. Tita's got a few drinks. This is part of the facility at this condo. We're very blessed to have. Lovely swimming pool, and in there is a fitness room. They've got some cardio machines and some free weights, and there's actually a library up there as well. There's a library in there, isn't there, babe? It's a really nice little study room.
Soda, lemon, and basil.
Exotic.
To fridge.
An exotic drink for an exotic woman. Coconut sugar.
Oh.
Hey. Cheers, miss.
Really good in a hot day
Yeah.
like this.
This is where it all began for Tita and I, by the pool. This is how this YouTube channel began. I got the camera phone out by the pool and that was our first video.
Yeah, it is.
Sun's coming out. Woohoo. Sun's out, guns out. Let's go for a dive. All right, guys, we've had a freaking blast today here in Phuket and by the pool.
Yep.
Soaking it up.
Yep.
Thanks for joining us today. We're going to sign off, say good day in the comments, and we'll see you in the next
Video.
boom.